Hello everyone, how are you all? Today is Saturday and I am going to show you activity that is related to your subject that is science. So you know that air is around us, but we can't see air, but we can feel air. And you know that air supports burning. So how can we show that air is helpful in burning? As you can see that what I am doing, I have put on this flame, and you know that flame, you can see flame, yes. And when we keep this glass on this candle, and you can see that now it is put off light. How? Because air is not present inside this glass, and we can say that air is helpful in burning, and in air oxygen is present, and oxygen is helpful in burning. As you know that when buildings catch fire or forests catch fire, then it will become difficult to stop fire. Why? Because air is around us and oxygen is also present in air. So we use fire extinguisher that have carbon dioxide gas, and we put off the fire with the help of carbon dioxide gas. And we never put water on the fire, and because in water oxygen is present. In water oxygen is present, and when we use water to put off the fire, so fire will not put off, it will become more fire. So what should we do? We should use sand to put off the fire, because sand absorbs oxygen, or oil spills from the, as petrol spreading and catch fire, then we should put the sand, and this sand absorbs oil spills. So what should we do? We should use sand in case of fire, not use water, because in water oxygen is present, and we have seen here in air oxygen is present. And when I keep this glass on the flame, then this candle is put off. Means oxygen supports burning, or oxygen is helpful in burning. So thank you very much. You will do this activity at home in the presence of your parents. Have a nice day.